Hello everyone, Will from Overkill Motorsport. This is a video on how to take a read of your factory computer tuning if you've purchased our Autocal handheld tuning solution. This is very typically done with a GM 3.6 V6 engine. So first thing to do, I've got it plugged in under the dash. I'm going to plug in the Autocal here. After saying Overkill Tuning, it's going to go to its main menu list, and you're going to use this button here and this button here to scroll through. I click this button. You can see the different options are available. You can ignore most of these until you get to here. So you read 1, read 2, read 3, etc. And you'll see the numbers underneath them. EFI Live, they set these up by the type of engine computer controller, so you need to select the correct one for your vehicle. In the little manual that I've sent you, you're going to fold it to the very back. It'll be on the second last page, and I give a guide. Now I'm sat here in my 2013 Cadillac ATS, and as you'll see, there's 2013 Cadillac ATS 3.6, and it says it's the E39A engine computer module. You'll also see that it's got a 6-speed automatic transmission. That means it's a T43 transmission computer module. So if you have an automatic transmission, you'll be doing a read for both the engine computer and the transmission computer. So now that I know I need to do an E39A followed by a T43 read, I'll go back to the handheld here, and you can see under read 2, there's E39A. So this is the engine computer module that I need to read. If you have a push button start, you're going to press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. Until you see the illumination and all the idiot lights come on up. You're going to wait for about 10 seconds, or another good way to look at it is see the little, the person flashing with the seatbelt. You can wait until that stops flashing, but about 10 to 15 seconds will do it. And now that we're here at the E39 read, I'm going to click the OK button. And it's reading the computer out. It will read this for several seconds, and then it will ask me to turn off the ignition. I'll pause this video, and you can see that in action. Okay, just finishing the read right now. And it saved the file. It says turn ignition off now. So we're going to do that and press the button. Turn the ignition off. We're going to press the middle button here. It says wait for 25 seconds. So we're going to do that. And once that's completed, we're going to go and do a read of the transmission computer module, and then we'll have both files that we can pull off of the Autocal onto our personal computer, or your laptop, or what have you. And then those are the files that you emailed to me. So there we go. It's all back to normal. Now we'll go and press the button and hold for 10 seconds again to turn the ignition back on. Alright, it's back up. Now we're going to go over to T43, the transmission computer. Remember to wait for your 10 seconds. There we go. Now it's reading the transmission computer. Once this is complete, it'll tell us to turn the ignition off one more time. We'll do that. And after we do that, and it finishes countdown, you can unplug the Autocal from the vehicle, take it back inside, pull those files off using the EFI Explorer program as I outline in the instruction manual. You send those files to me, and then you'll get your files back that you can upload to the Autocal. I'll show the uploading process in another video.